How to allow access to photos on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can allow access to photos on Android. To allow an app to access photos on your Android phone, you will need to grant the appropriate permissions through the system settings. For that, you will need to first open your device settings. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, this will take you to the settings page. Now, in this settings page, you will need to scroll down and find Application or Apps option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it. Within a while, you will be presented with a list of applications that has been installed on your device. Now from here, find and tap the application you want to allow the photo access to. For instance, I'm selecting Facebook application. Simply tap on the application and now you will reach inside it. In this page, look for the permissions option. Once you find it, tap on the permission option and now inside it, here you will need to scroll down and find photos and videos option. Or it may also be labeled as media or stories on some devices. Once you find this option, simply tap on it and then there you will be able to see three different options. Always allow all, allow limited access and don't allow. Currently, don't allow is selected. That means right now the access has denied. If you select this always allow all option, it grants full access to all photos and videos. And if you select allow limited access option, it lets you to select specific photos or albums the app can access. You can select between these two options depending on your preference. Right now I'm selecting allow limited access option. You can select it as per your choice. By doing this, you have successfully allowed access to photos on Android. The changes will take effect immediately. So this is how you can allow access to photos on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.